Hi, I'm Vance.
And I'm Brian, and we're instructors at Point Blank Gun Training.
This is why you should come to our carry class.
First off, everything, including the shooting, is inside, so you're warm and comfortable.
We have small group sizes with a max of 13, and we do custom classes with as little as 5 students.
We will feed our groups every meal applicable to keep you in a learning mode.
We have multiple instructors, including a female instructor. 40% of our students are female, and with this, she adds a huge comfort level to those students.
We have no hidden fees in our classes. Fees for range time, targets, food and beverage. Florida's non-resident permit, handgun rental, ammo charges are non-existent in our classes.
We literally cover hundreds of topics, such as can you carry a gun in a commercial vehicle? Can you travel through an Indian reservation? Can you consume alcohol and carry your firearm? And many other terms that are very important, such as preemption laws, castle doctrine, reciprocity and recognition, and a lot more.
Each student gets hands-on instruction with each and every round that they fire.
With our outdoor range, we also offer additional training so you can continue building your firearm skills.
So if you're serious about taking a great Minnesota permit to carry a pistol class, check us out online at pointblankguntraining.com and sign up today.